The Hyundai Accent has been my daily driver for the past 3 years and is my favorite car. An icon in the subcompact class and one hell of a good looking car. Welcome to Fresh Rubber, and today we review the 2013 Hyundai Accent 5-door hatchback. Now, a bit of background information on the Accent. Hyundai started production of the Accent back in 1994 and today is one of its top performing cars in terms of sales. The fourth generation was remodeled in 2012 and maintained that style with minor changes all the way until 2017, and it is safe to say that the Accent has become a huge success for Hyundai in the subcompact division. What's a car review without specs? Compared to its rivals like the Chevrolet Sonic, the Ford Fiesta, the Kia Rio, the Honda Fit, or the Nissan Versa, the Hyundai Accent packs a generous 138 horsepower sent to the front wheels. This is achieved through a 1.6-liter four-cylinder. It has a 6-gear automatic. The Hyundai Accent also has 5 seats, 5 doors, a 600-liter trunk big enough to fit a grown man. In addition to that, the rear seats do fold down to give you additional space, and the spare tire is also stored in the trunk. The Accent hatchback has a wheelbase of 2,570 millimeters, which makes it a lot of fun to drive. On the inside, I am a fan of the simple dashboard. Everything is where you expect it to be. It's easy to reach. While you're driving, you don't have to look down. It's easy to memorize where everything is. And my favorite part of this car is the heated seats. I love the heated seats, and it's very much needed where I live because it does get pretty cold. The armrest does extend in case you need it. And now, let's take it for a drive. So I'm reviewing the Hyundai Accent 2013 5-door hatchback. We've just entered one of the country's most popular national parks. It's called the Gatineau Park, and in here we're gonna have fun with some twisty roads. Obviously, this is no Jeremy Clarkson England back road kind of review, but I'm doing my best. This is the best I could find. I'm just gonna try to make some space between me and the guys in front of me, and then we'll have some fun with this. I really want those two guys to accelerate in front of me because there's a lot more potential in these roads. So the car, I do have trouble with it going uphill. It is front wheel drive and it's not the most powerful of engines. It's pretty powerful for the category that it's in. But going uphill, it does struggle sometimes. One thing I do like is going downhill because this thing handles like a dream for the category that it's in. I repeat, keep that in mind. It's the category that it's in, the subcompact. It's not the sportiest of cars. Still a hatchback, still fun to drive. But it's not a sport car. This is why I came here. These roads are twisty, they're fun to drive on. They go up, they go down. There's some high speed corners, there's some lower speed corners. It's just fun to drive on overall. It's not fun when there's cars in front of you that are going slow, or they're going the speed limit at least. But generally, it is fun to drive on here. I love the exterior of the car. I love the lines on the side. I love the hood. I love the front grille. It looks fantastic. It reminds me of that fancy Aston Martin. I think it's called the 7.7 or something like that. I just love the exterior of this car. I love parking it. I love coming back from, let's say, the grocery store or some shop or whatever, and just seeing my parked car. It looks fantastic, I have to say. It looks fantastic. What I do not like about this car, the dashboard has, it took some time for it to grow on me. Obviously I love this part, but that plastic over there, this black plastic here, the way the knobs and everything are placed, that took a bit of time for me to get used to and just for it to grow on me. I like the material of the seat, so it's not too hot in the summer, it's not too cold in the winter, as opposed to leather, for example. Thank you so much for watching. That is it for the 2013 Hyundai Accent Hatchback. If you found this video informative, entertaining, or valuable, please consider subscribing. A like would mean the world to me. And let me know what you think. Do you have one? Have you ever driven one? What is your experience with the Hyundai Accent?